Dear student, welcome to all of you to support my English class. Today we shall study the first lesson, a girl with a basket. But today we shall study the last paragraph of the first lesson, a girl with a basket. I told this soul of India. I told this story, try to see in your textbook. I told this story to Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I told him it was one reason I had fallen in love with India. The people I saw in India, those in the village as well as those in high office, have both pride and a lively sense of decency and citizenship. They also have a passion for independence. This beautiful child born in a squalor and poverty, uneducated in both grammar and manners, had given me a glimpse of the warm soul of India. This paragraph, dear student, try to note down. This paragraph is very important for board examination 2020 के लिए। ये भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पैसेज है, इसको नोट कर लेंगे। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ दिस पैराग्राफ। Whenever the author William C. Douglas returned from his journey Delhi to Ranikhet or Himalayas, he told his story. He told that story to see in his journey about 9 years old girl. Try to understand the explanation of this passage. I told this story to Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Whenever the author returned back from his journey, he told this story. This story means he told that story. That story means the story of 9 years old beautiful girl who was selling basket at the station. I told him it was one reason I had fallen in love with India. The other told that this is the reason that he loved India and Indian very much. The people I saw in India, those in villages as well as those in high office. The other told to Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru that the people who lived in India, those who lived in villages or in cities or high offices, have both pride and lively sense of decency and citizenship. The author saw they had the pride and lively sense of decency and citizenship of India. They also have a passion for independence. Every people of India, they had a great passion, a great desire for independence. This beautiful child born in squalor and poverty, although that beautiful child who was 9 years old and selling basket at the station, she was the daughter of refugee parents. The author saw that 9 years old girl, although she was born in a dirty condition, poverty, she was uneducated, she was without manner and uneducated. She was unable to, she had no knowledge in grammar, but she had given to the author, a warm soul of India, a glimpse of warm soul of India. That's all. In this way, dear student, the first lesson, A Girl with a Basket, written by William C. Douglas, has been finished. Tomorrow, I will try to explain short answer type question, explanation, and other. That's all. Thank you.